Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that why you should not settle for less. Let's get into the video. But firstly, all of you must have heard it's the news. It is all over the internet right now that a couple just climbed the building Empire Building, and the names were I think Angelina Ivan, I don't know, and the guy proposed that girl on the Empire Building's highest peak, and you sitting at your home waiting for the reply desperately. The bar was already very high and they raised it more because it was the girl who was not, seeking the ordinary treatment. She needed something very different, very unique, everything so special about that, right? See, this event, you know, tell us that this is not always about money. It is about efforts that matter the most. Okay, now let's get back to our topic why you should not settle for less. Firstly, uh, baseline of a relationship is respect and loyalty. If someone is not being loyal to you, then what is the meaning of being in a relationship? Like, if you get in a relationship with someone because you like them, and at the same point you are liking the other person, then what is the point of being with that first person? What is the point? See, loyalty is the very, basic way to show love. Like, if you really love someone, the first thing you can do for someone is stay loyal to them. Like, if you are not being loyal, then there is no love. This is the very first and a basic point. And but in this time, they say that if someone is being loyal to someone, this is the highest of the bar. Like, how come a very basic need of a relationship is being loyal and being respectful towards your partner became the highest, like the highest is could be you give thousands of dollars to someone. But people are now saying that we don't want thousands of dollars, we want loyalty. But the loyalty is the basic need. The basic need. It is, there is no comparison between loyalty and love. There is no comparison. If you can't being loyal to someone, then what is the point of being in a relationship? And also, they say that all we need is loyalty, all we seek is loyalty. Like, you people are telling that you don't want anything except loyalty. What you will eat, what you will wear, is there no point of vacation? Is there no point of fun? What you will do with loyalty? Like, if you are saying I am in a relationship only for loyalty, then please be loyal to yourself at least. People say that all we need is loyalty, we don't want anything else. These are the people telling already that our standards are not high. Like, they are telling we only need the basic thing. The basic thing is loyalty. If you are giving us loyalty, we don't want anything. And there is people in this world like Ivan. He must be loyal to his girlfriend. Like, what he did right now, it shows how much he loves her. And still he did like that grand proposal. You don't want that. And if you didn't set your boundary, people will treat you like you are nothing. Like, if someone is treating you bad and you don't like it, you need to learn to say no. I don't accept this. I don't deserve this and you can't do this to me anymore. Like if a person cheat on you, and at the first time you make that person realize that you didn't deserve this and you can't take this anymore by leaving that person will never be able to cheat on their next partner. That person will think 100 times to cheat another time. Like he or she will think that that girl left me because I cheated on her. What if I like cheat on this person again and she or he also left me? That kind of fear should be in people's mind, that if I did, because cheating is a very big and wrong thing, is a very big thing, and if someone did this, they have to pay for that. And how these people out there are like telling accepting cheating. Like these are the people, they are so much manipulated. They say, if that person cheated on me, that's okay, anyone can make mistake, honey. That person, okay, it was a mistake, then why you are also doing the same thing by giving another chance? You are also repeating the mistake. You are also in an equal fault if you give another chance to a cheater. You are telling that I can take cheating. You don't even need a basic thing in a relationship. All you need is the other person's validation. You are indirectly telling the world that you don't deserve honesty and loyalty and respect. And if in your mind you think that you don't deserve all of these things, why would the world or the other people will give you honesty, loyalty and respect, if you think that you are not worthy enough for all of these things? The bar is not high. This is not even the part of the bar. The loyalty and the respect are not even part of the bar. They are the basic needs of a relationship. And if you learn to set boundaries, your future self will thank to you. You will be so thankful to God and your past self, like, thank God and thanks to myself I made that decision. I have so much respect in my eyes for myself. Also, your standards show your self-worth. If you are telling someone that you indirectly telling someone that you can accept cheating and you don't even worthy of loyalty and respect, in your eyes you worth nothing. And if you learn to say no, this is not what I want, this is not what I deserve, you will create so much respect in your eyes for yourself. When you look yourself in the mirror, you should say that I am the most beautiful, gorgeous, smart, intelligent person and I deserve nothing less. All I deserve is everything. I deserve everything. The respect, the loyalty, the money, everything. And if someone is not willing to do that for me, I don't want that person. That's it. Like, for what reason you are not choosing peace? Like, if you are with a person who is not giving you peace, not giving you loyalty, not giving you respect, not giving you the things that you need, then what is the meaning of being with that person? Be the person who can fulfill all your needs. Why? This is the no, this is the problem, because we seek validation of the other person, the outer world. But you don't need anyone else's validation. You are beautiful the way you are. You are so much enough for yourself. You are the person who can fulfill all your needs. If someone else is not doing something for you, you do that for yourself. Stay loyal to yourself, love yourself, fulfill all your needs, go for your dreams, work for your dreams, work for your ambitions. If someone can't even being loyal to you, how do you even imagine or think that that person will help you to grow in your life? And if you are not growing in your life, then what is the point of being alive? And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.